Oh. Yo, do you know what's going on over there? I don't know what's going on over there. Well, that's weird. Anyways, stop time. Stop. Why am I on to work? I don't know. Holy f... Give me up, TV woman! No, simp. Bro, can you stop simping? For no reason at all? Like, bro, stop simping. Yeah, stop. Meh. So, take that. Give me a hug. Now! Holy shit, chill. Don't mind the cuss words though, but there's gonna be some cuss words in the parts. So please don't ban me, YouTube. So yeah. Anyways, on to the video again. Holy fuck, stop fucking simping. I mean, holy shit, calm down. No. I want to kill this fucking simp. Okay, chill, bro. Chill. Holy shit. Fuck you. Ah. I hate you. I'm gonna start my villain arc. You don't have a villain arc. Wait. I pass out. I'll kiss you. No, shut up. Ow, my head. Those were totally not mods. I totally made them, bro. I totally made them. Wait, how the hell did you do that? Don't ask about it. Bam! 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 I thought you liked me. Shut up. I'm gonna give you acid. Acid syringe. No. I don't need that stupid acid syringe. I could just kill you. No. I'm gonna kill you. I can't use my TV because my TV power ran out because of you. You stupid bitch! Fuck you. Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyways, bye. Ow! Ah, my head! Hold on, I need to put his head back together. We need to kill all the toilets for blood. Oh, and the simps. I got revived. Oh, you simp. I heard we needed to kill you because you simp too much.
No, wait, no. I don't simp. I totally don't simp.
Well, I don't care if you simp or not. I still know if you're a simp.
I know. So to test if it works, I gathered stats from players generally believed to have used steroids.
I don't have legs. Ah, ah, ah.
So, if these equations work, they identify when a player is using performance enhancement drugs. Alright, so even if you thought constantly
Good job.
will be drawn to places that meet essential
Oh, bro.
human geography is much less immense than the cosmos.
That fucking bitch.